giving a quick overview of the Dr. Manuel Lopez Garden. The Dr. Manuel Lopez Garden was established in June 2011 in honor of Dr. Manuel Lopez, a former mayor of Oxnard, who kindly offered his property to us, the Oxnard community. It's a non-profit communal garden where anybody may come to enjoy, share, and learn about this garden. This garden is a mission of All Saints Episcopal Church, which has generously supported us through our growing process by contributing volunteers and resources. Our sister garden, Communal Roots Garden, a ministry of the North Oxnard United Methodist Church, has also helped us with contributions, advice, and assistance. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a like, subscribe, and comment down below if you have any questions. And go check out our other videos of the Radical Walking Tour. Bye!